Good morning, my lovely students. How are you today? In this session, we are going to recognize the different parts of the spindle-shaped muscle. From the previous session, you have recognized that muscles, bones, and joints are responsible for our movements. They allow us to move in different ways. And you have also recognized that we have three types of muscles of three shapes, okay? The spindle-shaped muscle, fan-shaped muscle, and the annular muscle, okay, which is like the ring. Now let's observe this drawing that shows the muscles of an arm. All of you know that this is the bone of the arm. This is the arm's bone. And these are the two forearm bones, okay? Here we have two muscles. These are the muscles of the arm bone. Okay? نحن صرنا نعرف إنه البونز are covered by muscles that protect them. Okay? These muscles have names. عندهم أسماء هؤلاء المسلز. This muscle is called biceps muscle and this is the triceps muscle. Okay, these are the muscles of your arm. You should memorize their name. The upper muscle is called the biceps and the lower is called the triceps muscle. Okay, now let's look at the different parts of this muscle. Look at the biceps muscle. We have, this is its belly. belly يعني بطنه من جوا. Okay, بنشوفه إنه هو منفوخ لأنه عامل contracting بهاي الفيجر. And here we have tendons. tendon هو الرباط أو الأوتار اللي بيوصلوا المسلز مع البونز. أوكي؟ نحن قلنا إنه muscles cover the bones. في شي بيوصل المسل مع البون اسمه tendon. يعني هن مثل أوتار أو أربطة بتوصل المسل مع البون. أوكي؟ Let's look at the biceps. We can see two tendons only. That's why it's called biceps. Bi يعني two يعني عندها two extremities two tendons بيوصلوها بالبونز. بينما الترايسبس إذا بنطلع عليها بنلاقي في عندها three tendons يعني three extremities. أوكي ثلاث نهايات بيوصلوها مع البون. هودي يعني الترايسبس muscle عندها three tendons. That's why it's called triceps. Tri يعني three. Okay? So this is the biceps muscle. This is the triceps muscle. This is the tendon that attach the muscle to the bone. And this is the belly. belly يعني بطنة للمصل. Okay? I want you to memorize the names here of this figure. Okay? We have studied about these muscles in grade 2 and grade 3, so you should remember them. Okay? This action is called bending. هاي بنسميها البending, where the biceps muscle contract and the triceps muscle relax. لازم تتذكروا إنه هول المسلز بيشتغلوا بانتاجونستيك واي يعني عكس بعضهم. لما هاي المسل تعمل contract تاني بتعمل relax. contract يعني بتتقلص وبتنتفخ وبتقصر والتاني بتعمل relax يعني بتصير thin ضعيفة وطويلة. اوكي هول المعلومات أخدناهم in grade 2 and grade 3 بس أنا حبيت أذكركم فيهم. Okay, now let's go and solve the questions. You have to indicate the shape of the muscles in the figure. The shape of the muscles. Look at the muscles here. Indicate their shape. Their shape of course spindle shaped لأنه نحن عم ندرس عن parts of spindle shaped muscle. Okay? Then you have to name the bulging part of the muscles in the drawing. Bulging part يعني البارت يلي هو منتفخ. Bulging يعني منتفخ. اوكي أي part هو المنتفخ of course بطنة للمصل جواتها يعني the belly of the muscle. Okay? By which structure are the muscles of the arm attached to the bones? يعني شو هو الستراكشر اللي بيوصل المسلز مع البونز of course هو التندون. okay. The answer is by white cords called tendons. white cords يعني cords يعني حبال. اوكي فإذا هن موصولين بكوردز بحبال ولونهم وايت. هن in reality بالحقيقة لونهم وايت مش مثل بهاي الفيجر. اوكي منسميهم هودي الحبال يلي لونهم وايت منسميهم tendon. اوكي name the two muscles of the arm in man. يعني عند الإنسان الارم في عنده two arm muscles يلي هن اسمهم biceps and triceps muscles. okay. Now let's indicate the number of tendons presented in the biceps. Of course has 2 tendons and the triceps has 3 as I told you. Now you have to list the different parts of a spindle-shaped muscle such as the muscle of the arm in man. شو هن ال parts of the spindle-shaped muscle؟ أكيد نحن قلنا هن ال belly and the tendons. Okay يعني عندهم 2 parts. Now let's complete the conclusion. A spindle muscle is formed of a bulging belly prolonged by white cords. Okay. prolonged يعني elongated يعني مطولة بشو بهودي الكوردز الحبال يلي منسميهم tendons. These tendons attach the muscles to the bones of the skeleton as I told you. okay يعني هن اللي بيوصلوا البونز مع المسلز. The muscles of the arm in the man are the biceps and the triceps muscles. So I conclude that a spindle-shaped muscle has an elongated shape. Elongated يعني shape طويل. A muscle is formed of a bulging belly and tendons. يعني المصل هي مؤلفة من belly button and tendons هن اللي بوصلوها مع البون. Tendons attach muscles to the bones, to the skeletal bones, and the arm muscles in man are biceps and triceps muscles. So please copy the answers on your book and study these 2 pages well.